Hello everyone, my name is Mathew, and welcome to the How to Moodle set of videos where we look at different things that we can do in Moodle. Today we're going to be creating the Meet Your Instructor section on your course page. So let's get straight into it, guys. So you'll be creating a Meet the Instructor section for each of your courses. So it's a good idea to create a folder on your desktop, name it Meet the Instructor, and there put the resources in there so you can use it for all of your courses. So in this folder, you should have a profile picture, a Word document with your bio. So the Meet the Instructor section is a very important section. You know, this is a way of you giving online presence. You know, if it's a fully online course, students will never meet you physically. So this is one way in which they can get to know something about you. Now, it's about you. So it's going to be something like, it's going to be different for each one of us, and have some fun with it. Now, I'm just going to give you some general guidelines that you can follow. So for instance, I have done up my bio in a Word document so I can use it, copy and paste it over and over. And in the first paragraph, I just give a little quick greeting and I say a little something about me academically. In the second paragraph, I give a little something about my personal life, so you give that personal touch as well. And in the third paragraph, I give the learners an idea of what they will be getting out of this course. And again, short and sweet, keep it nice and simple. And also you can provide links in case students want to learn more about your different skills and type of research and so on. So I have provided my LinkedIn profile, links to my academic portfolio, and links to my professional YouTube channel. And I'm stressing the word professional because this is a course that is being offered at the university. So you want to give your professional links, not your personal Facebook page and that kind of thing. You want to be as professional as possible. And I also have provided my contact information for them as well. All right, so now that we have the resources that we need, we now go to our course. So you'll be enrolled as teachers in your courses, and you scroll down to the general course information section on your landing page, and you should see a link there, Meet Your Instructor. Now when you click on it, of course, it's empty and you need to populate it. So you go to Edit Settings, so you press this cogwheel in the top right hand corner. You click Edit Settings, and then you have the name Meet Your Instructor, leave as is. Description, Meet Your Instructor, leave as is. So you're going to go down to Content. Please give a brief bio here. So we have all these things already prepared. So you first highlight this, delete it. And now the first thing we're going to do is add your profile pic. So we click on the picture icon here. It's going to give you a little prompt, insert edit image. You click on that. You click on find or upload an image. You make sure that upload a file is highlighted as is in this case. And remember, we have all our resources on the desktop. So we choose the file. We go to desktop, Meet the Instructor folder. And I have my profile pic there. I click open, save as, I just put JM as my initials, profile pic, and I click upload this file. Now, most likely, as is in my case, the picture is very large. So you want to manipulate it so that it looks really good on Moodle. So you click on the Appearance tab, Alignment, you choose Middle, and for dimensions, it's very important. You make sure that Constraint Proportions is highlighted or checked. And then when that is checked, you delete this value. And for dimensions, normally around 250 pixels should be okay. And you don't need to put a value here. The software will automatically give this a value. You click Insert, you click OK, and you should see a picture of yourself looking at you there. All right, so now you're going to bring up your bio from your Word document that you created. You're going to highlight all the information that you have there. Right click, copy. Now remember, in these description boxes in Moodle, you can't right click and paste. You have to use the shortcut keys on your keyboard. So if you are using a Windows machine, you're going to have to press Control V. Or if you're using a Mac like I am, you're going to be pressing Command V. So once that's in there, you just might need to just adjust the spacing a bit. So that's what I'm going to do now. All right, and I believe that's about it. Okay, and once you're finished, you can click Save and Display just to see how it looks. All right, so you have Meet Your Instructor. There's a profile picture of yourself. There's a brief description of your bio, and then there are the links that the students can click on to get a deeper dive into who you are. So guys, please spend some time working on your Meet Your Instructor section. As I said, for fully online courses, students are not meeting you face to face. This is a really great way for them to get to know about you and make the course a little more personal, and it helps with student engagement and keeping the students active in the course. Okay, so that's it for this session. My name is Jason Mathew. I'm the coordinator of the Instructor Design and Development Unit at USC. Please feel free to email me any comments or any questions you have. I'm here to help. Take care, everyone. Bye.